Hello everyone, can you hear me? First, I want to introduce myself. My name is Vicky and I am the trainer from the BigSeller. And thank you so much for joining our online training session today. And we are so excited to have so many of you here with us. So today we will about sharing some really useful features that will help your e-commerce operation more efficient to help your business grow. First, before we start our session today, and here is the two QR code here. And could you please to take a few minutes to fill out this quick survey here, and we will very appreciate it. Your feedback is very important for us. So please take a few minutes to finish this period today here. Hello, everyone. So, can you hear my voice now? Hello, everyone. Can you hear me? Okay, great. So, thank you so much for joining us today. And we are so excited to have so many of you to come here with us. Today we will about sharing some really useful features with you. I think these features will help your business grow and your e-commerce operations more efficient. And before we start our sharing today, I just want to remind that this entire session is being recorded. And we will upload the recording video to our YouTube channel later. So if you miss anything or you want to revisit any part of this session, you can watch it again on our YouTube channel. Now, before we start, please take a few minutes to figure out this quick survey here. I think all of your feedback is very important for us. Your feedback and your needs can help us to improve our ERP service. So our session we are about to begin in 3 minutes. And now please take a few minutes to figure out this quick survey here. Thank you very much. The QR here, the left one is our YouTube channel. You can see our recording video for this whole entire session. And the right one is the QR code for the survey. And we really want your feedback. So please take a few minutes to fill out this quick surveys. Okay, great. Now let's begin our today. And here's the plan for today. I will have a brief introduction and I will spend 30 to 40 minutes for our feature sharing. And the next session is the Q&A. You can ask me any questions and I will do more explanation. And the last one is the end. Okay, now. Are you ready? The new feature I will share today is three. The first one is called Order Alert Notification. The second one is the delivery receipt printing, and the last one is for the push inventory. For the first one, Order Alert Notification, it's many useful get timely reminders for refunds, returns, and overdue tasks. And the second one, delivery receipt, is used for improving our like the POS order fulfillment with customized delivery receipt, the offline, for the offline scenarios. And the last one is that we can synchronize inventory to online stores and avoid overselling. Okay, let's see the first one, order alert notification. And you can see that. Oh, all right. So, am I clear now? All right. You can see that in the home page, you can see that there's icon, bell icon here. Click here. You can see all the alert notification here. And clear view more. You will see the to-do list and the notifications. This is the order alert or notifications, the page here. And I will show you a short video about this function.
Are you tired of manually monitoring orders, stock, or product issues, and the risk of missing out on crucial updates? With BigSeller's new order alert notification feature, you can say goodbye to those delays and risks. Let's take a quick look at how this feature works. Step 1, add new rule. First, go to Settings. Find the notification settings. On the alert rule page, you can click on Add.
Send daw link si sir.
Step 2,
Ayoko. Wala, tapos na kami.
So you can't see the video here.
Send mo kanina.
All right. Can you see the video here? Here? Can you see the video? All right. There's a video show the order alert notification, and since there's an issue here, you can scan the QR code to go into our BigSeller YouTube channel to see the video here. And now I will show you how to operate this function. I will share my screen for the system homepage. So this is our system. First of all, now in the home page, you can click the bell icon here, and you will see the message and all the alert notifications here. Yes, there are so many. And the number here, 14, shows that you have 14 alert notifications. You can clear view more to go into the notification page here. And there's the to-do list here. And all the notification will show here. And you can fill now the module here, order. Now we only support the order module, but in the future we'll support like the inventory, the product, all other modules. And you can filter the alert notification like the pack and the cancellation and after sales and date here. And the best part here is that you can see that if you click here, you will see the new and the void order, and then click here is the several tabs here. But for example, if we want to process the after sales request here, you just click the tab here, and our system will directly drive into the after sales order module here. So now you can see the order task here and just process it directly. Okay, let's go back to our to-do list now. Also, for the order return to warehouse, you can click and it will drive us to the stocking and the return. And we can choose to stock in and return to do the other operations here. So this is the page for the notification and the to-do list. And here comes the questions. How can we set for list? Now we can click setting. Please wait for a moment. Then we can find the notification setting here and click alert rule. And then we can choose to add new rule. Now we can enter the rule name, whatever, for example, and choose the business module order here. Just as I have mentioned before, although we only support order alert via alert notification now, we will support other like inventory, the product, and other module in the future. And now the next one is choose the alert indicator. You can choose the cancellation and the after sales and the return. For example, we choose the cancellation, and then the next one is for the notification setting. We should choose the receiver. For example, this is all the sub accounts. So you can choose the certain sub accounts to choose who can receive these order notification alert indicators. And the frequency here, you can choose the 1 hour, every 1 hour, or every 3 or every 24 hour, just according to your needs, and click save. Successfully. And the next step, please don't forget to enable this status here. As long as you enable that, this alert will trigger. Yes, but there's a reminder here. For the multiple alert rules with the same indicator and the condition, only one can be enabled at one time. So it seems like I just choose the cancellation request, cancellation orders alert, and for the other rules, we already have one, so we should close all these rules and enable this rule again. Yes, this means successfully. Once you enable this rule, and the next time, if there's a cancellation orders, here the bell icon will remind you the notification here, and you can mark all as red, and also click remove to see the details about this one, order cancellation request. This is for the one indicator, and we can go back. Also, we can click here, notification setting, and go back to the setting page. We can enable the other indicators, other rules. Okay, we already enabled 3. Then go back to the notification setting here. You can see that there are 3. The pack near expiration, cancellation, and after sales here. And this is the details for the notification. So I have introduced that. Let's have a brief. First of all, we can click bell icon to see the notification details. Also, in the order module, and as long as there are some new orders here and the order is about to expire, our notification will remind you. So you can click view more to process all these tasks so that you won't miss any crucial tasks again. And our system will automatically help you monitoring this order. This is the call function for the order alert function. Okay, this is the first new feature today. Let's go back. And the second one, is the delivery receipt printing. Before I introduce this feature, I want to ask you some questions. For example, like, do you have an offline store, or do you deliver the package on your own? If you have such scenarios, this delivery receipt will help you. So you can see that this is the page here, and I will show you how can we print and deliver receipts on our system. Also, it's on the order processing orders here. You can see that in the new orders or in the in-process orders. Also, to pick up orders, you can see that you can select some orders you want to print the delivery receipt and choose the bulk print to print delivery receipt. Pay attention, you can only print the delivery receipt through the bulk print. Let's try and you will see. Yep. Yes, this is what the delivery receipt look like. You will have the custom name, the order number, order time, print time, and the SKU details right here. And you will have three positions for the signature. You must have the shipper and the carrier and the recipient to sign this receipt. So this can be a proof to prove that your package have to ship to the buyers correctly. And now go back. You will have a pop bar to remind you to mark as printed, just like the print shipping labels. So can we customize this print delivery receipt? Answer is yes. How? Click setting here, and also you can find the, please wait a moment. You can find the print settings here, and here, deliver receipt. The will display the custom information details. It supports buyer signature upon service proof of delivery. So you can print as the triplicate using a metric printer or the print single copies with a regular printer. The point here is that if you want to print the delivery receipt in triplicate, you should use the metric printer. And here is the example here. You can see that just as I have shown you before, customer details like SKU details here. And for the template setting, like you can enter your company name, click here to enter your company name and confirm, and your phone number. Also, you can open this mark setting. Once you enable these settings, the delivery receipt will be marked as printed if it can be reviewed successfully here. So this is for the customize for the print setting for the delivery receipt. And this is the two biggest new feature for today. And my question here, I think this feature is perfect for both the wholesale and the retail business. And I think it can help you improve your shipping workflow. And the next one is the The next one is for the push inventory. It's an old feature, but I know that recently there are so many users ask me about the push inventory, the whole process. So now I will introduce the whole process again to show you how to do the inventory push. Click inventory module here and choose the push rules and click the icon here. You will see the 4 steps. The first step, we should create merchant SKU. There are so many ways to create merchant SKU. For example, you can choose the merchant SKU here and choose to add merchant SKU, add a single one or add the combination one. Yes. And also you can choose to like this SKU mapping by products. And here you can choose to generate the merchant SKU, single SKU. It means that if there are some products it is unmapped, for example, for this one, you can choose to generate the merchant SKU for selected. And our system will automatically generate one single SKU, and you click generate, and successfully this merchant SKU will successfully and automatically map with the SKU, the product here. You can see here, merchant SKU here, right? And also, this is for the first step to create a merchant SKU. And the second step is the create mapping relationships. If you choose to use the create merchant SKU, choose to add single SKU after created, you can click SKU mapping, choose to by products. Just as I have mentioned, unmapped one, choose the one to mapping, and also you can choose the by merchant SKU here. The unmapped or the mapped one. For the mapped one, you can choose to edit the mapping relationship here. You can map with other, or to click this one and click confirm. Yes. And the next step is for the push rules. No, the next step is for you should add a push rule here, push inventory push rules, and to add a new push rule. There will be 2 modules for the one store, one warehouse, or one store, multiple house. First of all, I will show you the one store, one warehouse. Enter the push name. You can select the all store or the some store here, and select merchant SKU here. And also select the warehouse. For example, you can choose the multiple one. And the push quantity and about to be sold out. If you choose the convert to sold out, you can, when available stock is loyal, for example, lower than 2, our system will put 0 for the selected stores. And then click save. After we click save, we'll go back to this page. As you can see, then there's a cell with a number here, and the number, the first one is the highest priority. Our system will operate the first one, and next one is the second one. And pay attention, you should enable the status here. Ensure the status is green here, so the rule can work. Yes, also you can choose to push now and to add the rule here. Is for the push rule. And after you create the merchant SKU, create the mapping relationship, and then create the push rules here. The last one, click setting, and let's find the inventory setting. Please ensure that inventory feature is enabled, and you should choose the first one. Because choose this option, you can better avoid overselling. And this is the whole process for the inventory push. And okay, this is a brief introduction for all these three functions today. Okay, let's go back to our meeting here. Let's be clear from that. For the order alert notification is to help you get the timely reminders, and for the delivery receipts, it can help you as a proof to prove that your delivery is all correct, is okay, and to avoid initiate issue from the buyer. And for the push inventory, it can help us to synchronize inventory to avoid overselling. So this is the whole future introduction for today. And pay attention, I have mentioned that we also have like the video here. And if you want to watch this video, you can scan this QR code. Yes, to subscribe our channel and to view more funny and exciting and useful future introduction video through our YouTube channel. Okay, now it's for the third session, Q&A, and I have noticed that there's a chart in our chat room. Sometimes I have orders that are out of stock. If the push inventory failed for some reason it doesn't retry and do another push inventory again. If it can fix so fail push inventory automatically do a try. Okay, I got you. You want to, like, for example, you have a failed push. You don't want to manually to push it again. You want our system to automatically push, right? Okay, I got you. And I will report this your need to our tech team today after the meeting. Okay, and if there are any updates, and I will inform you. Now you can, like, for example, you can scan this QR code and uh to write your feedback in this in this query to this survey. And as long as there are any updates, I will connect you. Okay. Okay, great. You can scan this QR code and to write your feedback so that I can chat with you, I can connect you after the meeting, if our tech team to improve this function in the future. All right. So anyone else have any needs or have any questions? You can open your microphone to talk with me directly, or you can just like this user to enter the, okay? Oh, okay, this one. Connect BigSeller to my WooCommerce website in the tutorial. It's asking me to enter the API key. All right, I can help you to find the API key, but you know that through this meeting, I cannot to help you step by step. So can you leave like tell me your BigSeller account through this query, and after the meeting, I will connect you. I will communicate with you. I can teach you how to connect your store step by step. You can leave your BigSeller account. Okay, great. Anyone else? Do you have any? You're welcome.
Yes. Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, hello. So, my question is, do you have a seminar that like teaches a beginner how to use the big seller? So it's like from beginner to advanced. Do you have this seminar?
You want to have from the so you want to have like the tutoring teaching from the beginning
Yes.
to the end. All
Yes.
right.
Yes.
I can now I have a video to teach you how to use our BigSeller. Okay, I will
Mm-hmm.
show you.
Do you mind sending it to me?
Okay. Why don't you like the scan the QR code here and leave
Mm-hmm.
your like the uh your phone number or
Information?
the email I can send
Yeah.
you later. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, I can say that I am a beginner. All right. So, all right. Okay. Now, why I want to mention that the first step to use our big seller is to connect your store to our system. So it's for the authorizations. So since that several of you don't know how to connect your store, and I will show you for the authorization right now. Okay. First of all, I will share my screen here. Okay. When you register our big seller, you will go back to this homepage like this one, and you can click setting here. Yes, click setting here, and please wait for a moment. And find the authorization center here, store authorization. The first step to use our big seller system is to authorize the store to our system. So here, you can see all the marketplace we support. For example, if you want to connect a Shopee store, you can click Shopee and then add new store. Click here. And also there will be a help article here. We can click how to authorize. And then there will be a step-by-step guide also. First of all, we can click authorize now. And you will jump to the login page. And you should log in your Shopee and then click login in. You will receive a verification code and you enter that verification code and you click authorize and it's all finished. After you all finish this whole process, you will see that, for example, this one, it will show the connected, the green status here. And then for the red one expire, you can choose to here, reauthorize now. So after you finish the authorization, you can go back to the product module. For the product module, we have two core functions. The first one is for the publish the new products. And then there are several ways. And the next one, you can, for the advertisement management, like for the here and the store flash there. And also, after you publish the new products, you will get the new orders. We can process the orders for all you can see that for all the marketplace, for all the stores and the logistic in just one page. Yes, you can process all your orders in just one page. And also for the inventory, it's used for the synchronize your warehouse store to avoid overselling. And for this one, we have the marking like the watermark templates. And also we have the report. If you click report here, you will see the real-time selling data statistic here. And we have some 4 reports. The store reports, you can see all the details, order and overview, the sales and the total orders and the product sales here and the summary details here. This is for the store report and order report, like the sales report and the profit report here. Also, like there's some other analysis here. And also we have the service. For the beginner, we recommend to use the free plan. For the free plan, you can use all the basic function here. And I think it's enough for you. And also we have we have the app here. You can also process and use all these functions through an app. You can scan the QR code here to download our BigSeller app. Yes, you can find here service app. And also we have a customer service chat system for the, it's called a Docker. So you can download this app to chat with your customers. And if you want to know the more details, you can click here for the training requests here. And we can have a face-to-face and a one-by-one for the one-by-one training request with you. And you can initiate the training request here. After you submit it, our customer service will communicate with you and arrange the training for you. And this is the whole the basic introduction for our system. Yes. And also you can this one for the scan the QR code here, and I will communicate and connect you after the meeting to report your feedback to our tech team. And also, if you have any questions and problems, I will help you and guide you step by step and one-on-one. Any questions here? A few days ago, received any response for you. Oh my God. I have said sorry for this one. Maybe our customer service have some missed your message. So now you can scan this QR code after meeting and will immediately connect with you and immediately arrange for the one-on-one training. Yes, I promise you. So sorry for this issue. Label WMS print. Oh, you mean that you want to print the shipping label in the WMS? Okay, I will show you that. Show our system. For the WMS, and first of all, you should click. Oh no, I will change another account. It's a test account. Sorry. Please wait for a moment. For the WMS, you should finish your setting here. For example, like this one. And I don't know what kind of web tab you can't print your shipping label. After you finish your setting here, you can for this one for the web list. Yes, for example, if we want to print this way, you can just put it here, print shipping label, and you will, like this one, have a pop-up right here. Yes. Now you can print your shipping label here. And if you don't know, have any other details, like issue or problems for the WMS, also, you can scan the QR code here to provide us your problems and your BigSeller account. And I will arrange a one-on-one training for the WMS for you, especially. Okay? And also, I want to introduce one exciting event for our BigSeller. This one. It's called the e-commerce summit. it will be held on the August 2nd. And this for this summit, you can, if you are looking to grow your business and learn from the best in the e-commerce industry, I think this summit is definitely an event you don't want to miss. So, if you have time for the August 2nd from 9 p.m. to 6 p.m., and this is the address here, you can join our summit. And if you want to join this event, you can scan this QR code for the registration. It's not related to the topic discussed. If we may have the ability to create a landing page in air that can given to all the potential buyers. Then they will see a form. A landing page URL. Sorry, for this future request, I can't understanding this request. And could you please provide more details? Can you show how to translate product description to Malaysian language? Okay. Here, I will share my screen. For the products, no, I will sign for another account. Sorry, please wait for a moment. For the model, for example, in the dropped list, and we can click for list products. For list products and here, product description. Yes, we can like this one generate. Oh, you mean that you want to translate? Here, this one, translate and you can here choose to translate the title, description, then the product description, and the various options like this one. And you clear translate, it will like use your Bitcoin to translate. In the edit product page, there will be here, and click source language to Malaysian language, and the title. Okay, great. So, if you are interested in our e-commerce summit, it's totally free, right? You can just scan this QR code for the for registration, and if you have available on the August 2nd, you can join our summit, and there will be a bestseller in the e-commerce industry to share their strategy for business, to share their ideas for the business growth. So I think it will help us a lot. There will be a valuable insights for the operations, and it can help us to grow our business. You can scan the QR. Okay. A message want to order in Messenger, create Messenger orders, and fill out the details for the personal. Yes, I won't have to create new. You mean that you want to just provide them a link, and they fill their information by on their own. You don't want to fill up the details by you, right? You want the buyers fill out all the details on their own. This e-commerce summit is offline. Yes, this is the address here. But I'm not sure whether there will be a live at that time. And if you want to join it online, I can ask our team to see where there's a way to get a live video. For the messenger orders here, I got your request, and I will discuss with our tech team after the meeting. Yes. How could we know if the request was sent? Because when I sent, it now show a different language. I will check now. Yes, I will check whether you sent our. Please wait a moment. You are welcome. Okay, I have there are seven users have already submit our here. Yes. 7 users. Yes, for this one, I have received your like one-on-one training request here. I have received that, and I will contact you after the meeting. And for all the other feedbacks I already received. Thank you very much. So if you do you have any? Yes, Maria, I got you. Yes. You're welcome. No? It supports English. Yes. Not in Chinese. It supports English and Malaysia language, not Chinese. Yes. So again, if you have any feedback and questions, you can scan this QR code to provide your feedback and questions, and I will contact you one by one after the meeting. And also, if you are interested in our submit, you can scan this QR code for the registration, and there will be our staff to connect you. Yes. For the whole session, there will be a recording video, and I will upload this video for the replay in YouTube channel. So you can, like this one, you can scan this QR code to subscribe our YouTube channel. Yes. And also, I will upload many other new features, some funny and interesting and useful features, videos in our YouTube channel. So please subscribe our YouTube channel. Okay, for the submit, I have double checked. Our submit is for the English and the Chinese, support these two language. So if you are interested in our submit, you can come. Yes, here is the restriction for here. Anyone have other questions? And for this one, for the profit report, and if we come to figure out the answers here, also you can leave your account through this query, and I will connect you after the meeting, and maybe we can arrange an online one-on-one training, and I can answer your questions face to face and secretly. So if there, I want to mention again, the recording for today's training session will be available on our YouTube channel. Yes. So if you want to review or share with your team, you can watch the whole four sessions at your convenience. And for the new features, today we shared also will have the corresponding videos on our YouTube channel. You can scan this QR code to watch it. And thank you again. Thank you for your time for joining our new future sharing today. And we were about to end. If you have any feedbacks and questions, you can scan this QR code to submit, and I will connect you. And yes, one by one. Thank you very much. Thank you for joining with us today. Thank you very much. Thank you. And next Wednesday, we will also introduce other new features, other useful features at the same time next Wednesday. Thank you very much. Thank you for joining us today. Thank you for your cooperation. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you very much.